Hey everyone, welcome to a new look at the Mini 2, DJI's Mini 2. It's a small drone that is great for putting in your pocket and taking out into the wilderness and the outside. Just to give you a little bit of background, I've had the DJI Phantom 3 before, and that was a large drone where you basically had to put it in a backpack to take out anywhere. I've taken it overseas and basically took on most of my carry-on luggage on the plane, because you can't take the lithium batteries into storage on the aircraft. It has to be carry-on. Anyway, so this is a new little drone. It's just been released in the last 6 months or so. Essentially, it'll fold out. It's under 250 grams, so it can be flown in most jurisdictions where you need registration for your drone. In Australia here, they are looking at putting into place a licensing system for drone registration, and I'll be looking into that a little bit further, but essentially just follow the rules, fly safe. Now CASA in Australia does put out guidelines as far as maximum flight height of 120 meters, making sure the drone's line of sight the whole time you can fly it. Now this drone has OcuSync 2.0, which essentially is a frequency modulation for the controller, so it always will be in the best frequency between the drone and the controller. So controller, it's a good little controller. It's a little bit of an upgrade from the first DJI Mavic Mini that came out. Basically, little sticks, you can take those out and screw them in the top, and your phone goes on the top of that. So I've come down to Torquay, south of Australia, for a bit of a flight, just while sun's coming up before work, and hope you enjoy. I'll take some shots around the coastline here. We'll see what this little thing can do. I did have to buy a high-speed micro SD card so that it can write in 4K to the drone, but once that's formatted in place, it should be ready to go. So this is my first flight, and we'll go from here. Quality is fantastic for a little drone, and I'll have a look at some of the quick shots now that they allow us to do from the drone.
Traveling in a fright, I'm coming on a hippie trail head full of zombies. I met a strange lady, she made me nervous. She took me in and she gave me breakfast, and she said, "Do you come from a land down under, where women glow and men plunder? Can't you hear that thunder? You better run, you better take cover." Buying bread from a man in Brussels, he was 6'4" and full of muscles. I said to the man, do you speak my language? Yeah. He just smiled and gave me a Vegemite sandwich. Yeah, yeah. I come from a land down under. Yeah. Where bitters flow and men chunder. Can't you hear that thunder? Well, you better run, you better take cover. Lying in a den in Bombay with a slack jaw and not much to say. I said to the man, are you trying to tempt me? Because I come from the land of plenty. Yeah, yeah. Do you come from a land down under? Where women go and men plunder. Sing it. Can't you hear that thunder? You better run, you better take cover. Yeah, yeah. Living in a land down under, where women go and men plunder. Can't you hear the thunder? Ah, you better run, you better take cover. Living in a land down under, women glow, men plunder. Can't you hear that thunder? Yeah, you better run. Yeah, you better take cover.
Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like, and I hope to see you all soon. I'll have some more videos coming through from my drone and traveling hopefully to New Zealand and other shots around the south coast of Victoria in Australia. So stay safe and we'll see you soon. Thanks.